Hello everyone. Welcome to another video here on the channel. If you are looking for a physical activity that also brings benefits to your mind, yoga is a great option. Today, we're going to talk about 5 benefits of regular yoga practice for mind and body. Benefit number 1, stress reduction. The first benefit we're going to talk about is stress reduction. Yoga is known to help decrease cortisol levels in the body, which is the stress hormone. In addition, yoga postures also help relax the mind and reduce anxiety. Benefit number 2, improved posture. Another very important benefit of yoga is improved posture. Yoga postures help strengthen the back and abdominal muscles, which helps maintain good posture throughout the day. Benefit number 3, increased flexibility. Yoga also helps increase body flexibility. Yoga postures work on different muscles of the body, which helps increase the range of motion and prevent injuries. Benefit number 4, improved sleep. If you have trouble sleeping, yoga can be a solution. Yoga postures help relax the body and mind, which can help improve sleep quality. Benefit number 5, strengthening the immune system. Last but not least, yoga can also help strengthen the immune system. Yoga postures stimulate blood circulation and help eliminate toxins from the body, which can improve overall health. So, now you know 5 amazing benefits of regular yoga practice. From reducing stress to strengthening the immune system, yoga is a complete physical activity that brings numerous benefits to your body and mind. Remember that it is important to practice yoga regularly to reap the benefits in the long run. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to receive more content like this. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.